Okay, Micah's gonna do the Chubby
Bunny
Bunny challenge.
But with Angry
She's gonna
Bird.
be using
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird Cheez-Its. Okay. Ready?
No.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
One Chubby Bunny.
More.
You have to say Angry Bird.
One Angry Bird.
Two.
Two Angry Bird.
Three Angry Bird.
Three Angry Bird.
If you want to see this
Four Angry Bird.
Chubby Bunny with Hershey Kisses, you can go to my one of the past videos. Are we uploading? Come
Five Angry Bird.
on. It's like the first video on my channel.
6 Angry
Six
Bird.
Angry Bird.
5
Seven Angry Bird.
100.
Eight Angry Bird. Nine Angry Bird. 10 Angry Bird. 11. 12.
You're going to choke if you put 15, 16.
The 15? You have to put them in the sides of your cheeks.
How many?
19. 22.
Angry Bird. Hey, stop chewing. 25?
26.
I can't do it anymore.
So it's 25? Okay, so now we know Micah's a failure at 25. And we're gonna just stop now before you have to see anything worse. I lied, we're not going to. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. You.
What?
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Be sure to check the other video out if you want to see my latest burp. And that's Jordan.
Hi.
She's just there.
Ew, Paco, what is that crap on you?
Oh my God, Paco.
Bad Paco, you don't poop.
No wonder you have green crap.
Alright, I guess we're done now.
Paco. Wait. Oh, Paco.
Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty.
What?
You just had that in your mouth. It's all soggy.
No.